Is KCR under self-quarantine at his farmhouse? Rumors are agog that Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has gone into hiding in his farmhouse after some of the staff members at his office tested positive for COVID-19. If one has to believe news reports, as many as 30 Secretariat staff tested pandemic positive. Whether KCR too got inflicted or not is difficult to ascertain. But he apparently left to farmhouse and opted to remain inaccessible. Call it self-quarantine or by any other name. Unconfirmed reports also claim that he had gone for a medical checkup at a corporate hospitals and the doctors advised him to take complete rest. The hospital sources also confessed that KCR is a regular visitor for monthly checkups. They would not elaborate beyond that. Meanwhile, the Congress working president Revanth Reddy in a tweet blamed the chief minister. He accused KCR's failure to contain the pandemic. He also complained over the exploitation of corporate hospitals of gullible COVID-19 positive patients, violating the government guidelines. In his tweet, he also mentioned of CM in self-quarantine at his farmhouse. His tweet also had tagged with a COVID-19 patient selfie video expressing her anguish over hospital exploitation. Listen to patient's tales.
Hello, I'm Dr. Asta Sultana. I'm a COVID warrior. Due to shortness of breath, I have been admitted at Tumbe Hospital, Chadargarh. For one day, they are charging me 1,15,000. I could not pay so much amount for one day expenses, and my brother paid 1.5 lakhs, and both of them paid 1.9 cumulatively. We want discharge, they are not discharging, they are not behaving properly. They gave me insulin at 2 and the sister is no denying she didn't give me insulin. Then either they gave me food after insulin, 10 units of insulin was given to me and the sister is denying she didn't give me insulin. My daughter is also COVID positive, my brother and my sister also COVID positive. And I'm not getting proper medication here. And the sister is telling she didn't give me insulin because the afternoon nurse, morning nurse she gave and went away without food. And this nurse is denying I didn't give insulin. You know, you are not allowing us to come inside, and also false things they are alleging on us. I'm in trouble, please help. I can't give them every day 1 lakh rupees. I can't pay, I don't have that much amount. I want discharge right now, please help me. I'm a COVID warrior.
During the last 24 hours, the COVID-19 positive cases had crossed 2,300 mark with more than 218 fatalities. What does it indicate? Although the Health Minister Itala Rajender claims all is well, yet the reports of 2 jewelers who were instrumental in holding a birthday party attended by about 100 guests explains the government's failure. Interestingly, the government which thought of re-imposing lockdown too has dropped in the last minute, as economy may suffer and people may lose their livelihood. Many feel unless the government and its police crack the whip against those who violate COVID-19 norms like holding birthday bashes and wearing masks, beside failing to maintain social distance, it would be difficult to contain the pandemic spread. This is MS Purthy for Orange News 9 TV.